Guys, I thought it would be a fun idea to let my Nonna make a slime, so I asked her to make one for me, and here's what happened. Nonna is Italian, so of course she wanted to make a pasta slime. So I taught her how to make a red jelly base for the pasta sauce, and she did such a great job. Here's her adding in the snow, which she said looked like Parmesan cheese. And it's time to mix. The slime is coming out so good already. Now it's time for her favorite part, dumping in the pasta add-ins.
Mia pastina, come si bella.
Whenever we're sick, Nonna always makes us pastina, so I had to add it in this pasta slime. The slime is finally done. Let me know how you think Nonna did in the comment section down below.
Allora,